This is part 2 of the PS1 graphics tutorial, and before we open LumaFusion, there is 3 things we need to prepare in Nomad Skull. First, we need screen record of the environment scene with the post-processing and slow turntable movement. Second, create more games just like the one we made previously and change the background to solid bright color and record the turntable at high speed. Third, we need to create the buttons, and for that add low polygon, enable mirror, rotate it and move it to the side. Use post processing and slow turntable movement. Then start screen recording. Now let's move to LumaFusion. Drag the environment clip on the first track, drag the game clip to the next track and go to edit. Select the green screen key and pick the color you want to delete from the clip. Adjust the parameters as in the video and arrange the game clips. Add the buttons clip. Remove the background color as we did earlier. Make the clip shorter. Copy and paste the clip to the end of the timeline. Make another copy of the button track and drag the first of the clip to make it shorter. Then go to edit. In color presets, select original and reduce the brightness. Go to frame and fit and crop the left part. Add sound effect to the button. Now duplicate the button and sound as much as necessary. Add music. Now for the last and most important step in the process, go back to the environment track, select edit, select Filmic Default V2 from the LUTs, select Sharp 2X, and most importantly, add small bump and increase the radius and decrease the scale. Add keyframe at the start, go to the end of the timeline, move the small bump slightly, and automatically keyframe will be added.